Your favorite madman's up in the crib. And you know what we're making? Blueberry pancakes. Fantastic style. Tick-tock, click-clock. Frankie Vaughn, your favorite madman, here in Cottonwood Heights, Sandy, Utah, waiting for the snow to come. The rain in the base, snow on the mountain. We're going to give it one more run. See if we can catch a little pow before we end the season. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to tick-tock, click-clock. Nobody gets out of that. Look at it, I got teeth. Look, I got teeth. Pow, pow, pow. Look at that, blueberry pancake finished product. And the fantastic. Oh, no teeth now. Hey, don't forget, you can eat really good. We're going to cook some bacon up right now, too, and some eggs. You can eat fantastically in the van. All right, peace. Look at that beautiful pancake.